Growing up in Brownsville, I thought the whole world was Jewish because I never met anybody who wasn't. Everybody was poor. So we didn't realize that we were poor. We didn't feel poor because we all have the same standard of living. There was no feeling that I don't have. We had friends. We played on the street, and we had a lot of in that neighborhood. A lot of Yiddish tradespeople would come around because, of course, nobody had a car. They brought a lot of things to the house. Milk was delivered. Seltzer. We got a case. That was a Jewish champagne. We got a case of seltzer at least once a week in those siphon bottles. And then if we had a lot of money, we'd buy Fox's You Bet and made egg creams. And it was, you know what an egg cream is? A lot of people don't know. Joe and I were traveling once in New Jersey, and I wanted an egg cream, and the waiter said, "What is it?" And I said, "Well, never mind." He says, "No, tell me how many eggs and how much cream. I'll make it for you." But an egg cream is a little bit of chocolate syrup and a little bit of milk. You mix that up together, and then you put in seltzer, and it froths up on the top. It's the best thing you could ever drink, and that's called an egg cream. No eggs, but it looks like eggs. All those memories keep resurfacing. There were men who came around singing "I cash clothes." I remember that's melodies in my head. They were buying old clothes if you had anything to sell. I cash clothes. I can hear them singing that in the alley. A lot of local, people came to the neighborhood. The insurance man would come. He had a big black book. I don't know, maybe a quarter a week or 50 cents that they would pay till they saved up enough to buy an insurance policy.